Good morning, children. Welcome to the chapter Heat and Temperature. Children, you might have observed when you leave a spoon in a glass of hot milk for some time, the spoon becomes warm. Or when you leave something in the sunlight and then afterwards you try to touch it, that thing has become hot. This is because that object gains heat. Heat is a form of energy, and the SI unit of heat is joule. We use heat in different forms. An object becomes warm or hot when heat energy flows into it, and it becomes cold when heat energy flows out of it. Sun is the natural source of heat on earth. The sun and the cup of tea are not equally hot. Similarly, when we compare ice and the normal glass of water, they are not equally cold. So how can we decide what is hot and what is cold? Let us see this with the help of an activity. Take 3 beakers A, B, C. Pour warm water in beaker A and cold water in beaker C. In beaker B, pour water at room temperature. Dip the index finger of your left and right hands in the beaker A and C respectively for some time. Then dip both of your fingers in beaker B. You will notice that the water in beaker B feels cold to the left index finger and warm to the right index finger. This shows that hot and cold are relative terms. There should be a reference temperature with respect to which we can say whether a given object is hot or cold. We cannot decide it with the help of our senses of touch. So, a term temperature is used to decide this. Temperature is a degree of hotness or coldness of a body. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, but normally we measure temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit. We will learn more about this in the next video. Thank you.